Today we will discuss the magnetic field at the center of the current carrying circular lobe. Consider this is the current carrying circular lobe in which I current is flowing. Let P be the center of the lobe. To calculate the magnetic field density at point P, let us assume that the whole lobe is made up of many infinitesimal segments, each of length dl, like this. यह मान लेते हैं कि सर्कुलर लोब बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे डीएल लंबाई के सेगमेंट से मिलकर बना है. Then consider one lobe, say AB, of length dl, and joining this element dl with the point P, say this distance r. Then angle between position vector r and segment dl is 90 degree. Then, according to Biot-Savart's, the magnetic field induction due to this current element IDL at point P can be written as directly dV is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi dl sin theta over r square, where theta is the angle between dl and r. Here dl is perpendicular to r, so angle theta is equal to 90 degree, which implies that sin theta is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. So equation first becomes dV is equal to mu naught I over 4 pi dl over r square. Equation 2. Now, this is the value of magnetic field induction at point P due to current segment IDL only. To evaluate the magnetic field induction at point P due to the whole circular lobe, we have to integrate. That is, magnetic field induction B at point P will be integration of dV equal to 4 pi over mu naught over 4 pi dl over r square, or B is equal to, here mu naught over 4 pi over r square is a constant, so this quantity comes out from the integration mu naught over 4 pi r square and integral over dl. The value over dl of the whole integration means 2 pi r. Here integral over dl will be 2 pi r, means circumference of the circular lobe. Then magnetic field induction will be mu naught over 4 pi r square into 2 pi r, और b equal to mu naught, sorry, here I also dl into I and I also mu naught over 4 pi r into 2 pi I. If there are n number of turns in the coil, then total magnetic field at point P will be mu naught over 4 pi r into 2n pi into I. This is the required expression for the magnetic field density at point P due to the whole current carrying loop.